Why did she choose you?
Lie, I know of her. Because I was nice to her.
Have you ever watched one of those viral emotional AI fruit videos on TikTok or YouTube and wondered, how are people creating videos like this? I used to think it required a whole team of animators, expensive softwares, and hours of editing. But what if I told you that you can create an original AI story for a simple idea all within one platform? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Susan, and on this channel I share practical AI tools, content creation tips, and ways to help you create better content more effectively and make money. Today, I'm excited to show you how I used Flova AI to create my own original AI fruit story inspired by a storytelling style of a trending video. Now, I want to make something very clear. I'm not reusing the original creator's footage, assets, or exact scenes. Instead, I'm only using the reference to understand its pacing, storytelling structure, and emotional flow. Then I'm creating my own original version with my own prompts, characters, and creative directions using Flova. So let me show you exactly how I did it. Okay, so here is the Flova AI official website. The link is in the description of this video. Once you tap on it, it's going to take you to this site. So here is their official website and here is the interface. And when you click on this model, they have some of the most powerful video generation models like Sit Dance 2.0 and so many of them. And they also have a skill library where you choose from skills that professional creators have already created. Like, for example, we have this script to video, music to video, narrative short film, humanistic documentary film, product commercial, reference to video. And this reference to video is the picture I'm going to be trying out today. It's absolutely great. Once you tap on skill, you see skills that professionals have already created. So if you don't like any of those ones or you want to create your own skill, you can actually tap on this new skill and start creating your own skill from scratch. Okay, so let's go over to the home again. You can either type here, you brainstorm. If you don't have an idea, you can actually brainstorm and let Flova AI suggest what you want to create for you or bring your story idea to life. Okay, so here I will tap on this plus sign, click on video. So I'm heading over to upload a trendy video style I found on TikTok. Yes, so here is the video. All you need is just one sentence. So I'm going to paste in my prompt here. The prompt say create an original emotional fruit family story with cinematic lightning. So this is actually my own prompt. I'm using this video as just a reference. Okay, click on generate. So let's just hold on a little bit. So here is the start process. So Flova AI have started analyzing the video and is going to give you the media, the preview, and here is where we have to chat with Flova AI. As you can see, it says I can see you've uploaded a reference video and want to create a cinematic emotional family story inspired by pacing. So skill is ready. So let's scroll down. So as you can see, Flova AI is actually working hard to analyze the video and also create my original version for me. Okay, so now that we've gotten our storyboards and everything is okay, like here is the preview On the preview you see the edit icon, the edit box. You can either edit your prompt again if there are some saying you don't like. Instead of to start the entire process all over again, you can edit each scene. Like for example, this scene now, I can just tap on edit and it's going to edit anything I don't like in this scene instead of starting everything all over again. So Flova AI acts as an AI video agent. Okay, so here is the chat. You can just tell them make this adjustment, and it's gonna do exactly that for you. Then once you're done and the video is okay, you can click on export and it's going to export your video for you, or you kindly click here on download. I'm going to play the video now so that we see the final outcome.
Ivan, your day.
Why did she choose you?
Lie, I know of her. Because I was nice to her.
Huh?
If you'd like to try Flova yourself, new users receive 100 credits immediately after signing up, and you can unlock an additional 200 credits by exploring Flova. Use my link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.